I'm Tamara. This is, I'm Ramblin Tam on social media, and this is my bus. I like to call her Bo Hobo. Y'all come on inside. So it's a little short bus. It's got a Chevy Express on the front, and then this is a Bluebird, the bus portion. I've got 350 solar panels on top, and that powers everything except for the stove and the heater are on propane, obviously. I have this super cute little sink. I have my little stove, my winter's fridge, and then this is almost a full-size bed, just shy of a full-size bed. And then I have the storage above, storage below, and I can access that from the back door or from here. The cupboards, I have just kind of left the blonde natural, and then added these antler handles for a little style. And then the dinette, so that I can like entertain or do projects, and these seats are original to the bus, as is this storage rack. And so then I just have storage up here. I have so much storage. And then I have this cute little closet. And right now I can fit this much clothes, but I want to do one of those pull-out things, like people will have their pantries, so that it'll be deeper and I can have more clothes. And then this is my shower. It's kind of a mess, but it's like an awesome shower stall. And then I just have like the camp shower that you heat up on the stove, and then you just pump it for pressure, and then I have the shower head. And what other features? So the story of how I came to live in this beautiful home is actually that Jamie Dimon from Enigmatic Nomadics organized this build out, and it was done for me, which is just an incredibly beautiful thing that still blows my mind. So yeah, so I'm the recipient of a lot of good energy, and people feel it when they come in here. People are very comfortable in this space and will remark like, oh, just it's cozy in here, and I think that has a lot to do with it. So I've been in the bus for 1.5 years, and before that I was traveling for 2 years, living in a compact car, which was a totally deliberate decision, and I set the intention that I wanted a home I could stand up in, and I put that out there, and then Jamie was doing a video series and connected with me and asked if I would be the recipient, and so I'm a very fortunate nomad. I'm a very lucky nomad.
Mm-hmm. Well, thank you.
Yeah, you bet.
And you social media?
Oh yeah, so on social media I'm Ramblin Tam. On YouTube and on Instagram I'm Ramblin Tam. Yep.
All right.
Thanks, Steve.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig, and join us again next Saturday for another episode.